Hey everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now, in this video, we are going to take a look at how we use Copilot effectively as your partner. Now, a lot of times we are very transactional in the way that we use AI and Copilot in particular. And after a number of Copilot enablement sessions and workshops and programs over the last few weeks, a common scenario or common request and outcome is for agents to follow company brand voice style guides and reduce the amount of AI slop, I guess, that is generated. So what I've created and is available for download, and I will give you the instructions for this agent, is a copywriting agent that is grounded in a document that has your tone of voice and your brand voice guidelines, but also outlines a number and comprehensive list of AI banned words or phrases or terms and that type of thing, so that when you're writing content, we're writing it in the way that your company talks, and it is less AI, or the focus, the tone is less AI sounding. So that is what we are going to take a look at and how we can use that in different ways. So as you can see on the screen here, I've got this agent that is called Copywriter. Now, if I go into the settings of this agent, then we are going to see some pretty standard things, right? So we've got the description, we've got our instructions here. And again, I will make these instructions available for you to download, and you can adjust and change these as you see fit. So I've got my instructions. And if I scroll down a little bit further, what I've actually got is a company brand voice guide document that I've added as knowledge. So if I open this up, we can see that this is a detailed document that is outlining everything about my brand tone of voice, my core tones, how I want to emphasize, what to avoid, writing style rules, etc. All right. So I've put that together for me, and you can generate your own brand voice guide as well. So I've also added here a company document template, because what we're going to take a look at is when we're reviewing docs, I might want to rewrite the entire document, but I want it written on a company branded document. So that's what this is used for. Okay. And I've also got, because I want to create a document, I've also added the capability here for code interpreter. So creating documents, charts, and code, I've turned that on. So let's have a look at this in action. So I want to review a document. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look. I'm going to attach cloud files, right? And I'm just going to navigate to a file that I want reviewed before it gets sent out or published or that type of thing. So I will say, can you please review this document? All right. And what this agent is going to do is going to look at my tone and voice and brand guidelines, but also look at an anti-AI slop standards, which is part of that document, right? And automatically we can see that this document has, or this agent has already picked up a number of different things. And the good thing about the way that this agent is set up is that I've got the original text, but I've also got a recommended rewrite for each issue that it picks up, right? So here it's picked up tone and clarity. I've got banned phrases and AI slop that it's been, that it's picked up as well, and it's gone through and done all of that, right? So I might want to say, let's maybe rewrite this entire document. Can you rewrite this entire document using the template you have as knowledge? Make sure you keep, and I'm going to emphasize this, keep everything the same and just change what you have identified. All right. So what this agent will now do, because I do have the code interpreter turned on, here is first of all the rewrite. All right. So I can look at this. Right. Here it all is. So I've got the document that's being rewritten on the canvas. All right. So we could iterate on this. Okay, so let's now say this looks good. Can you write that as the Word doc that I can download, right? So what I would normally do is iterate on that on the canvas before creating the document. So that's how the agent has been configured. So now that I've said, right, let's create that Word doc and download it, I'm happy with this edits. The code interpreter now kicks in automatically. It's analyzing and it's writing and it's creating this document for me. So here's the doc. I will get a download a link here. So I can click this link here and you can see that I've got the document, and let's open this file. So here is that document all opened up, and we can see that it has got my fonts, got my styles, and it's got my my footer as well. So it's used that template that I've added as knowledge in the agent. Now, what about if we wanted to, let's say, open up that document and use the agent as a partner inside of the document? So let's go and open it up from its current location. So here's the document. I've opened it up in Word. Now I'm just going to click the Copilot icon in the ribbon here, and we can chat to our agent inside of our Word document, right? So we are going to say, jump over here. I'm going to open up my chat, my agents here, and that agent will appear for me to use in just a second. Here is our agent. So I'm going to open up Copywriter and say, can you please review this document? All right. So now I'm in the context of this doc. I'm talking to my agent. It already knows about this document, right? Because we're in the in-app, right? So it's got the issues, right? Now, what I'm going to do is let's have a look at how agent mode could help us in this respect here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these issues, right? So I'm going to say, right, I'm going to copy these, and I'm literally going to then turn on agent mode and make these adjustments for me, right? So I'm going to copy these. I'm going to jump back out into chat. I'm going to turn on agent mode, and I'm literally just going to paste that into the agent, right? And then let's hit send. Now, what we're going to see is in agent mode, it's actually going to edit and change this document dynamically for us, right? So if I scroll down, let's have a look and see what this agent, let's go and say, let's go A, right? So we're going to choose A, and let's have a look at what happens in agent mode. And you can see this little icon down here that tells me that I'm in agent mode. All right. So you can see dynamically, this agent is editing this doc, right? So there's one edit, there's two edits, there's three edits. It's picking up those issues. There's four. It's picking up those issues for me and automatically doing the rewrite. So there's the 7, and I can flick through and look at each of the 7 and where it changed the document. I want to keep it all, and then that has now been done. So a couple of different examples or ways in which you can use Copilot and an agent in particular as your partner, right? So we're creating a particular document. Now the outcome is to get this ready to send, and part of that process is formally reviewing the document for brand and tone and style and voice, and also for removing any AI type of content that has been picked up in the document itself. So I hope that brings you some value today. If you do want the instructions for this agent, head over to danielanderson.co/copywriter and pop your email address in, and then I'll send you those instructions as well. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.